Stick around for some big news. Welcome back to another NETFIX original. Big news, we just bought our own shop so we can bring tons more videos to you. We got our own freedom for scheduling and making sure we can bring the best quality of video to NETFIX and Build. Welcome to the entrance of the new crib. Here we go. This is kind of our before video and just showing you what it looks like now. Soon we'll be showing you a new video and we're going to try and make this place state of the art. Thanks for watching this walk around of our new shop. Subscribe, like, comment down below on what you think you might want us to do with this place. If you got any awesome ideas that maybe we haven't thought of yet, we plan on turning this into a new place, and keep on watching, keep on NETFIX and building.